week has been amazing. We have literally sold vehicles all over the U.S. We have sold vehicles in Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Illinois, and all the way in California. Did you know in California it is illegal to drive more than 2,000 sheep down Hollywood Boulevard at one time? Or that landing an airplane on the beach is illegal in Texas? Did you know that in Chicago, Illinois, it is forbidden to fish while sitting on a giraffe's neck? Don't wear your boots to bed, Randall, in Oklahoma, because it is illegal. No one may scream at a haunted house in Topeka, Kansas. And in University City, Missouri, it is illegal to honk another person's car horn. Guilty. Have you been reading the car dealers' ads lately and noticed repeated themes like during this 3-day sale, we want trades, and you think, great, and then boom, you have questions like, if I'm not ready to buy now, will I get a bad trade value later? Is that fair? Don't they usually want my trade? Do I have patience for this? At Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, we offer the best prices with all possible rebates and discounts and no fees every day. Save your money and your mind at wowwoodies.com. Now, let's head on over to Travis that drove all the way from Vista, California, a 25-hour drive to purchase his muscle car from Woody's and learn what made him choose Woody's over any other dealership.
Wow!
Okay, so what's your name?
It's Travis.
And where are you from?
I'm from Southern California.
Oh, wow. So it's quite the drive going to Woody's today. Did you drive or did you fly here?
I drove all the way over here.
Oh my gosh, how far away is that?
So I went from California to Florida and then to here again. So it was.
So you went to Florida even?
Yeah, about 33 hours there and then another 14 hours here.
You must really love to drive.
Yeah.
That is some driving. I would have flown. I always just fly.
I had to trade in, so I
Oh,
had to
awesome.
drive.
Okay, cool. So what'd you get? I mean, I have to ask you.
I got the Challenger 392, the SRT.
The SRT. That is a gorgeous Jeep. Congratulations. Now I see why you drove. I would have probably drove too. So how did you find out about Woody's?
Actually, I believe it was Facebook first through Car Gurus. It's like doing like their Facebook ad thing because I look at Challengers like all the time.
Awesome.
So I found it on Car Gurus actually, I guess you could say.
So what made you choose the Jeep over Challenger then? So you look at Challengers?
No, it was the Challenger.
Oh, you got the Challenger.
SRT Challenger.
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha, because I didn't have a Jeep to its SRT.
Yeah.
So there.
I had the RT Challenger for a while. That's what I'm trading in. And then I just kind of wanted to upgrade to the SRT.
Yeah. Why
These were
not?
giving me a really good trade-in value, so.
Awesome. You got some performance pages now, don't you?
Yeah, you know it.
That's awesome. Okay, so who's your sales advisor today?
Scoop.
Okay.
I think that's what they call him, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And how did he do for you?
No, he's great. He's a cool guy.
Okay, awesome. And what do you think of our overall sales process here at Woody's?
Really simple. Super simple. You know?
That's
Actually,
good.
way simpler than any time I've ever bought a car. And there's no arguing about prices. Pretending to walk out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You wouldn't want to walk out and go back to California, would you?
I think he knew I wasn't leaving.
That'd be a bad deal.
Only drove 15 hours. So.
Only, yeah. And what do you think really differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
The fact that they're not as argumentative, and it seems like you're actually talking to real human beings here.
Yeah.
It's not like talking to commission dealers where they're like they're just trying to milk you for the last bit of money that they can get out of you. They're actually selling things for a reasonable price.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, so I have one last question for you.
Yes.
Where do you go out enough to recommend Woody's to your friends and family?
Of course.
Okay, well thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it,
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.